You are welcome back for this series. It's glad in my heart as you watch the series and you also subscribe. When you subscribe, please make your comments. Your comment is very paramount to us to work on and meet up with your demand. And by special grace of God, you have no issue in chemistry. Any topic that you're having a problem as well, you can write your comments on it. We help you to upload it. There's no problem for that. The last class we stop at butane. We'll continue with pentane today. But remember, we are still dealing with alkane. We have not gone to alkane and alkyne. We are still dealing with alkane purely. So let's take it. Pentane. Pentane, it will give us C5H12. The first one is how many carbon we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Remember, this is still normal pentane, N-pentane. N-pentane. Let's check on the second isomer. How do you formulate it? You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's make the second carbon, the fifth carbon, either here or here. It's still the same thing. Either we put it here or here. Say 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's still on the second carbon, it's still in. So this one give us hydrogen. Or this one give us hydrogen. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So other than this compound, the first thing I told you at the nomenclature is that you must locate or get the longest chain. Let's consider the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the longest chain is what? 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is butane at the end of the name. So on what carbon do you have the attachment to the second carbon? And what is the attachment? We have only one carbon. And that will give us methyl. So we have 2 methyl butane. 2 methyl butane. That is the name. Let's consider the third one. The third isomer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make this one. Let's make the carbon here 1, 3, 4, and 5. We have the carbon here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So when you look at it, let's look at the longer chain. We have 1, 2, 3. The longer chain. Then let's consider where the attachment is. We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the longer chain is what? 3 carbon. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3. On the second carbon, how many times this second carbon have attachment? 2 times. We have on this one and also on this. Then it's going to become 2, 2, and when it is 2, it will become dimethyl propane. It's 3 carbon, not 5. Propane. So this is the other isomers under pentane. Looking at it, there's no other isomer than this one can form. Then from this one, we move on to the next one, which is 6 carbon. On 5 carbon, we have exhausted the isomers. Let's move on to the next one, and that is what? Hexane. Hexane is what? 6 carbon. 6, 6, H14. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we have how many hydrogen on it? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So that's combined. Then this one is called normal hexane. Normal hexane. That's N-hexane. Let's quickly formulate another isomer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can have this one 6. So we have, now here is what I want you to pay attention for the naming of this compound. I told you the other time that when you are naming, you name closer to the end of the chain. You are looking at what the attachment now. We have 1, 2. This is where we have the second attachment. If you have to start 1, 2, 3, 4, so you cannot start the name from here. You start the numbering from here. That gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On the second carbon, we have the attachment. We have 2 methyl, and the longest chain is what? 5. That is pentane. We can also have another attachment. So at this level, let me quickly complete this one so that the next slide we can have the explanation of the other one. Let's quickly 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have 5. Then we have 6. So on this one, because of our time, we have hydrogen here, hydrogen. So when you look at the longest chain, which one is the longest chain? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the longest chain is 4. You start with the number from 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't start it from here. It will be wrong in naming. Start from this short term because this one is very close to the attachment, to the end of the chain. So we have how many attachments we have? We have 2 dimethyl. What's the location? 4. That entails butane. Then the next one, let's quickly consider the other one. The attachment, let's consider 1, 2, 3, and 4. On this one, let's consider 1. Let's consider here we have attachment here. Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. We also have a hydrogen here. All this round, we have hydrogen round. So, if you have to do the naming here, the name of this one needs to consider 1, 2, 1, 2. Or we can start the naming, the numbering from any of these sides. So we can have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have, because we have one attachment on the second one and also on the third one, we have 2, 3 dimethyl, and the longest chain is what? Butane. So apart from this one I've mentioned, no other isomers for hexane. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 isomers for hexane. By special grace of God, in the next series I will complete the remaining one so that we'll have a completion of the 10 carbon. Thank you, meeting you in the next series.